Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hello everyone, Jonah Rose here. With Thanksgiving 2023 just around the corner, I've got a delightful project to share with you, the Gobble Tray, straight from the AnkerMake app. Embracing the fall spirit, I thought this comical turkey with its wide open beak would be the perfect home for my mini pumpkins. I chose a coral peach filament to give it a warm, seasonal touch. Its creation was a breeze. Just tap print, and there it was. Fun fact, did you know that wild turkeys can fly at speeds up to 55 miles per hour when escaping predators? They're also surprisingly swift on their feet while on the ground. But no worries, our 3D printed turkey here is happy to stay put, holding your items. This tray isn't just for decoration though. It's versatile, holding anything from utensils and candies to small gifts and fun knickknacks. So what will your Gobble Tray hold? Remember, if you're thinking of food, go for individually wrapped treats to keep it clean and tidy. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this creation and are curious about more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for weekly prints, and as always, stay creative.